What's up, everybody? It's Coach Gary. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your vehicle. Now, I know for some of you this is a pretty basic process, but there might be somebody out there who just doesn't know. So today I'll be changing the oil in my daughter's 2006 Honda Accord. Now, it's recommended that you change your oil every 4,000 to 4,500 miles. Some of you have up-to-date technology on your car, so it lets you know when the oil needs to be changed. But if you have an older vehicle like I do, there's no such technology. So you're going to have to look at the mileage and just make sure you keep up with that, because it's very important to change your oil. If you don't change the oil in your car will break down. Now, in this vehicle, it does warn you when you're running out of oil life. You're going to need a few things to change the oil in your vehicle. Make sure you have a socket and socket wrench. I'm using a 3/4 wrench for this vehicle. I have a tool to remove the old oil filter. I have an oil pan to catch the old used oil. I have a oil filter, and I have at least 4 quarts of oil to go back into the vehicle. Let's change some oil. The first thing we want to do is drain the old oil from the oil pan. Locate your oil plug is what they call it. Nothing more than a bolt. For those who don't know the location of your oil plug, I'm going to show you how to get to that. First all you have to do is find your oil pan. It's all going to look similar to this one. And then you look at the bottom of that. You always find your oil pan bolt or your oil plug. Make sure, when you're taking these bolts and things off, that you turn them the right way. A good rule of thumb is a little rhyme called righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Make sure if you've just finished driving your car that you let it cool down properly. If not, the oil coming out of here is going to be very hot. Make sure you replace the oil plug or the oil bolt. Check to make sure there's no leaks, and you're going to make sure you check this after you add oil. Before I replace the old oil filter with the new oil filter, I like to take some of the new oil and put it around the rubber seal on the oil filter. It just creates a better seal, I think. Make sure you wipe off the old oil filter base. right, so the next thing we want to do is put the oil in the vehicle. Don't forget to do that. Now we're probably going to use all of this because you got to remember, you got to have enough oil in the oil pan, plus you got to account for the oil that's going to go in the oil filter. I think I said at least 4 quarts, but you're probably going to be right at 5 quarts because of the oil filter. Make sure you replace your oil cap. Physically get down here and check to make sure there's no oil leaks while the car is running. If there are any leaks, you'll see it immediately. This looks pretty good.
Hey YouTube, it's CCG. This is day 12 of no food and water.
We're starving. We live at home. Nobody goes to the grocery store. It's really a struggle. Like we could just.
Yeah, but the grace of God.
By the grace.
Yeah, it rained the other day, and so I could have some good
outside and
drink, some good drinking water.
We were so happy. We said, "Thank you, God. You heard our prayer."
Yeah,
we manifested the rain.
Amen.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Go subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Leave some comments in the comment section and let me know what I could have done to make this video better. And leave some comments on some ideas that I could do for new videos. And go Bucks. Congratulations, Bucks, for winning the NBA championship. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.